Hey guys, how's everyone? So we know there's a lot of changes in the auto industry recently. If it has to do with the major recalls that's coming out, or all the problems when you buy a vehicle that they're trying to get pushed to a recall, just seems like it's a lot of uncertainty as far as how the market's going to go. And this one is a little shocking to me, and it kind of shows you the direction that Honda's kind of aiming for. So recently Honda's been trying to scale back things as far as all the models they offer. They've been discontinuing across the board with Honda and Acura, killing off different models, just streamlining their whole lineup, really. Well, this new move by them kind of shows you that, because it's going to cost them billions of dollars, and it's a big change. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just got announced by Honda. So like I said, there's a lot of changes, but this is a big one. So Honda just came out and announced that they are going to cancel the 3 electric vehicles that they already had slated to start in production. So this is not like the original idea of it, but they're ready to go to production with these vehicles, and then all of a sudden just to axe it. So that kind of shows you the position that they're in to do something like that, where they put all the R&D in making these vehicles and got to start producing them so we can actually buy them. And they just canceled all 3 of them. I can kind of understand if it was like one vehicle, but it's 3 of them. It's the Honda Zero SUV, the Honda Zero sedan. So those 2, these are all full electric vehicles, but those are more, I guess you could say, futuristic looking, if you haven't seen them. Here's the Zero SUV, just to give you an idea of the look of it. So definitely a more streamlined, futuristic look. But like I said, they put a lot of money in to develop this to be mass produced. And all of a sudden, the last minute, they're not going to do it. And like I said, they're not going to do any of them. And then the sedan looked really similar to this one right here. But I would say the biggest shock, because this has been going on for a couple of years now, is that the return of the RSX is not going to happen. That vehicle's been talked about for a couple of years. And here's what it looked like. And like I said, it was ready to go in production. So another crossover looking vehicle, but it actually looked really nice. And that's kind of what their push was, to bring that back, a sporty SUV, but full electric. And the thing with these vehicles, it was going to be Honda's first in-house EV. Because if you remember, the Prologue and the ZDX were built on GM's platform. So this is big news. Like I said, they had all this money invested to make these. That's kind of what the push was going forward. But to axe them, it says it's going to cost Honda close to $15 billion, which is kind of a crazy thing to, try to imagine that. But it kind of shows you that they're not ready to get in the EV market. I mean, the RSX was going to be like their sporty EV to kind of compete with the rest. And it kind of had that look to it. It would be one that I was actually going to consider even driving, but not anymore. So you kind of want to start wondering what's going to go on with this. I mean, we know they've been discontinuing models, especially in the Acura lineup, streamlining that. And the whole purpose is to make room for these EVs to fill up their lineup. Well, now they're not going to happen. So it kind of makes you think that going forward, they're just going to get really slim as far as what they offer. So you're going to get a lot less choices, and either you like it or you don't. But it seems like a really simple philosophy going forward as far as what they're going to offer to the public. So I wanted to share that with you guys to see what you guys' thoughts on that were. I mean, it was shocking to see. Like I said, if it was one vehicle, you kind of understand that. But I mean, to cancel all 3 of their vehicles that they had slated to start production this year. So that's a big thing to just pull out of. So again, I want to keep you guys informed. So if you're waiting for an EV from Honda or Acura, I wouldn't hold my breath, because it's not going to happen anytime in the future. Makes me a little bit more worried about how the company is going to do as a whole, especially when we see a lot more issues coming up, and now they're just kind of axing what their plan was. So be interesting to see in the next couple of years how they look. So I wanted to bring that to your guys' attention, keep you guys informed as always. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.